Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's me, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline. Let us be thankful and enjoy the rest of the day.
Okay guys, today I'll be preparing mini beef balls, and this is how the lean beef looks like, and it's really important if you're going to make your homemade meatloaf. It should be lean. This is how the lean looks like. Or you see, even though I didn't put any binding ingredients such as the cornstarch, all-purpose flour, eggs, you don't need to do that because you can really prove that it is a lean beef. Okay, no fat at all. Because of, you see, it's easy to form the shape that you want. Okay, I just have here the aromatics, garlic, ginger, onion, and I add some thyme, all my thyme. Okay, I have also the rosemary. Okay, I have also a little crushed pepper, black pepper, and also I made the Worcestershire sauce, the salt, a little, okay, dark soy sauce, and I also added some cayenne pepper into it. Okay, so if you want to add some aromatics, feel free. And all of this is also powdered. I use powdered for today, and you can also use the real one, the chopped, if you want, if you have there. And also I have made the tomato paste, or if you want, you can also add your ketchup. Okay, as long as it's not that sweet, so that it will be tastier. I'll see you again, guys. See how nice the beef.
Let us be kind and grateful. No matter how hard life is, our Heavenly Father will always be with us. May the love and peace be always with us. Just choose the right path of our lives because everything is already written in the stars. So, be positive, stay positive, and always keep the positive energy alive.